Here's a video of the Smart Karton grocery pack, heavy items and also light items in the same box. We're using the same insert, similar to what we used last time, except we're going to pack it in a slightly different way, make it look a lot neater as well from the point of view of appearance once it arrives at the customers. So we have an HSC, paper's laminated inside, put it inside the actual outer container. So light items on one side, the coffee, and then we've got the heavy items on the other side. You can actually see inside there, like so. I'm going to stand up and make sure everything's stood up. Then all we do is we take the paper and then we simply push the paper and fold it around all of the items in the box. And push it around it, and this will help everything stay in place. We do that on both sides. So we just use that exactly like you'd use Rand Pack or any other paper material, except this paper actually sticks to itself and therefore goes all around the actual products. So if you look inside there, you'll see that it's holding the product in place. That's the heavier and the light items both on one side. Then what we do is we take the minor flaps, and these minor flaps actually go around, they're scored, and they fold around, and then what we do is we hold those in place with the paper tape. This is reinforced paper tape that comes off a reel. The corrugated, the minor flaps have then acted as extra support for the actual items inside the box. What we then do is we take our lighter items on both sides and those go in the void. So in this case, these disinfectant wipes, the problem is when they get crushed, these will actually push open. They'll pop these open and then they'll leak. So what we've done is we put those in the top, and then the same with the potato chips, like so. What we then do, these flaps, the major flaps, then close down. Like so. Now, as you can see, the presentation that gives to the customer when the customer then gets the box is looks really good. They can just obviously lift these open, take out the lighter items first, and then they can lift the whole thing up. Obviously there could be some type of print on here if that was required as well. Simply what happens now is the box is then closed, so then the whole thing is taped up. What we're going to do now is we're just going to drop this a few times. This is obviously just a preliminary kind of drop test to see what results that we get before it goes into full testing. Like so. So not going to drop her around too much on the corners. Like so. On its head as well. So. Then on this corner as well, we're going to bash this one up pretty good. Then we're just going to have a quick look. You can see the dent on there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Pull the tape out here. Whew. Now obviously when the customer gets it, this is what they're going to see, like so. So that's a good appearance. They then lift this up, take out the light items. So those actually look in quite good condition. Here's the chips, they're still full. So they haven't burst or anything like that. Obviously this is just a preliminary drop test. We then remove the inserts. Here's number one. Again, this will actually, you just take this tape, like so, this breaks down. So take this one out as well. These are the items inside. So from that quick test you can see actually the liquid's been shaken up quite a lot from that drop. The Cheerios, the coffee, These items are over here, are the kind of important ones. The bleach looks pretty good. This is the one that always tends to get damaged. These are the refrigerated cans of drink. That looks pretty good. And then obviously we've got the cat food as well. Preliminary testing looks kind of promising. We think that we definitely need these top flaps. They protect the cohesive paper and they also act as extra kind of absorbent. So that's a quick video of the smart carton insert for perishable goods, heavy and light items.